Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic model of wave washer or wave spring washer. In Autodesk Inventor software, you can see the wave profile of this washer. Change to home. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, go to standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now we will select the 2D sketch and select the top plane, the exit plane. Now rotate this view. Now go to circle command and select the center point circle. Select the center point and give the circle of dia 50 and one circle of dia 40. Okay. Now escape. Now select both the circles and from here make them construction geometry. Okay, these are for reference. Now go to point command and here give 2 points. Okay, escape. Now they are in moving state. So go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. They are horizontally aligned with each other. Now we want to align with respect to this point. So select this point and select this center point. Now they are fully constrained sketch. Now go to circular pattern and select both the points, first and second. Okay. Now from here go to axis and select any of the circle and we will take a pattern of 10 count at 360 degree. Okay. Now go to finish sketch. Now we will construct a new plane. For that go to plane and from here select the offset from plane. Now go to origin. Now we will select the exit plane. From here we will offset 5 mm. The plane will be 5 mm from the exit plane and OK. Now select the top plane and go to create sketch. Now we will project all these points on this plane. So go to project geometry, select the outer circle first, select all the 10 points, 4th, 5th, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. As you can see the projected points are in yellow color. Now finish sketch. Now change this view. Now we will join all these points. So from here go to 3D sketch and from spline we will select the interpolation spline. Now we will start from any, select from this point, this is the top point, the yellow point, and we'll select the another point will be of bottom plane. Similarly next point will be of top plane and another will be of bottom plane. Rotate this. We will do this again and again. The top plane point, the bottom plane point, rotate the view, the top plane point, the bottom plane, the top plane, bottom plane, and this will be the top plane. Okay, this is a zigzag profile. Finish sketch. From top you can see this is complete circle which is made, and from side view you can see the zigzag wave pattern. Home view again. Now we will do same for the middle circle. This circle, the points of this circle. Now again from here select the 2D sketch and select this top plane. Now go to project geometry once again, select this point, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to home view. To make it more clear for you, we will hide the extra points. As we have selected the sketch 2, and from here hide this. Select the top. Only these points will be visible. You can hide this also. Select this and switch off the visibility. This we need. Okay. Now go to home. Now it is looking much clear. These are the points on which we will work. Okay. Now go to 3D sketch once again. Again go to spline and take the interpolation spline. Or you can turn on this. Wait. You can go to 3D sketch and turn on this. Turn on the visibility. It will show you which point we have taken at top and which we have taken at bottom. Okay. Now go to spline, interpolation spline. Select this point and this point, the top point. Similarly, next point will be of bottom and other will be of top. Next will be of bottom and other will be of top. For top and bottom, you can check this reference. As we select the top point, a line over here will be shown to you. It will show you that this will be bottom point of this. They are vertically aligned. Okay. Now this bottom point, this top point of next. Rotate the view. Now this bottom point and top point. Okay. And this the last bottom point. The shape is made now. Now finish sketch. If you want to see only this, so turn off the previous 3D sketch. Turn from here, visibility turn off. Okay. You can see from here the top view, it is complete circle. And the side view will be, it's a wave form. Okay. The zigzag form you can also see. Go to home. Now turn on the visibility of 3D. Okay. Now we want to fill this surface. So from here select the boundary patch and select first curve and select second curve. This will be hollow. And go to OK. This is a boundary patch of this. Now go from here, go to thicken or offset and we'll select this face and we'll give a thickness of 1 mm and OK. Now turn off all the extra things, like we don't want this, so turn off the visibility. Turn off the visibility of this sketch, turn off visibility of boundary patch and turn off visibility of this working plane. Okay, this will be the washer. From top you can see the complete circular profile and side the waveform. You can give any color. From here you can take cyan. So this was a basic model to how to make a wave washer or wave spring in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.